I've had some of you ask what an ads manager is and what they do. So let me quickly recap it. Number one, we run ads for other businesses. So most people don't know or realize or even think about the fact that most businesses need more leads and sales, but they don't have time to run their own ads or even the knowledge necessarily. Number two, we will meet with a client. We will get a good pulse on what they're selling, how many sales they want to make, what their story is, and we will craft some ads that potentially draw in the right type of customers. Number three, we will set up the ad campaigns. So depending on what platform they want to run ads on, often it's Facebook and Instagram, we actually set up the ads in the ads manager, and that will allow those ads to spend money each day so that more and more people see. Number four, we track like crazy. So advertising is really rooted in math and facts, and we track those on a daily basis. And fifth, we sometimes build very simple website pages, super simple, easy to do, or landing pages designed to help people convert.